Hey guys, we will be doing a very simple photo manipulation today. First of all, open the old man image. I have given the link of in the description. Then the egg image and click OK. Then we will be changing this egg image into a raster image by right clicking and rasterize layer option. Then using the magic wand tool to remove the background. And we will adjust the shape of egg by the transform menu. We will adjust the opacity so as we will be able to see the old man and adjust the egg in the image. And then we will use a mask, and after that we will use a brush tool and make sure the foreground color is black, and then we will simply paint on the mask with the black color. We will adjust the softness of brush, hardness of the brush, and then flow to the minimum for the soft edges. We will zoom in to have a better view, and then we will simply paint using the brush tool again. We will change the opacity to maximum and then use the brush tool and simply paint away. So we will get a very refined edge, not a refined but soft edge, and we will not see the transition, so the manipulation will look a bit more realistic. We will do it very gently and slowly so the image would look more realistic. And then we will zoom out and delete more excess parts like this white line over there. We can increase the hardness as we want and flow to the maximum, and this is how it's done. It's very simple. You can use this technique in various other photo manipulation methods, and we will save the image as we want. So keep on subscribing, and we will be coming up with more of a graphics related tutorials. Thank you.